Okay, that hurt. I just came out here to grab a shot of the beans that are still growing, and I noticed that this big, massive jalapeno was so heavy with the rain last night, it just broke off. And so I had just this little bamboo stake, and I was trying to push it down to bring it back up, and it broke, and I went that way and poked my hand. So this is the end of this plant, but look at those jalapenos. I'm just gonna take the whole plant in and take them off. We got a little bit of rain last night, and look how gorgeous these, and green. This is October the 6th, and we're gonna have a cold weekend, and look how gorgeous these peppers are still. This is my lamb's quarters, and I'm saving it for seed because Daryl says lamb's quarter weeds are nutritious and so much better than other weeds. So look at this. I have got a watermelon starting up, and we are October the 6th and a cold snap this weekend. And look at this watermelon. It looks fantastic. But look over here. Check this out. Okay, it's finally starting to die back a little bit. I got a monster. Well, that's a big one. But look at this monster. I don't even know if I could lift that, to tell you the truth. Let's see if it's ready. Let's see if we can get in here and check out this spoon leaf. I don't even think this spoon leaf is dry. This little thing is not even dried up yet. This has to be dried up. And the spoon leaf, which is very hard to see, see if I can roll it over a little bit. Okay, which one is, this is the spoon leaf right here, right? This one, it's coming off the, usually the spoon leaf is a little one, but this is the only thing coming out of that joint there, this one. And it's not dried up. My word, that's the biggest watermelon I've ever grown. I'd like to know how much that weighs. Whew. And then I've got another big one over here. This one, the spoon leaf is, no, I was looking at it wrong. Well, yeah, this is the spoon leaf, I think. Now, you know, the spoon leaf is just a little round one that comes off of this joint here. So this is dried up, so this must be ready. Sure sounds ready. Doesn't that sound ready? I'm gonna come back later and grab that. But I just came out to, I mean, look at this monster. I don't even know what it is. Zucchini? I suppose we could call it that. Let's just see how humongous. Oh my goodness, look. Okay. Raccoons have been in here or something, eating my melons. This melon has to be ready. Put that in my pocket. This is a strange little melon. It ripens small. Oh, look at all these tomatoes I wasted. Ah, there's just not enough of me. What can I say? I need to get out here real bad and do some gardening. Look at this gigantic thing. It's, okay, let's go over and, no, oh, look. It's another one. What are these? I just don't know. There's another melon. But what are these things? They start out like this. They're big at this end, kind of stripy, and they get humongous. Are you supposed to harvest them young and eat them fresh, or did they cure? There's another melon. Oh gosh, they're everywhere. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this monster. It's 3 feet long. Oh my goodness. Look at that. What on earth? And oh my goodness, and look out there. It's going up into the forest to do more and more and more. Gosh, well, let's see. No, I don't even have my garden shoes on. I'm wearing my gown. Come on, Kaye. You came out here for one little shot and then you get distracted. See, this is what happens when you don't pick your peppers. Disgusting. Ugh. That's a beauty. Let's just take that. I think this is, yeah, this plant looks almost done, although there's green coming off the top. You know, you just can't stop this stuff. And look at all these pumpkin spice jalapenos, and I need to come, oh, and this is the one that I think is hot. I've never grown anything that looked like a ghost pepper before because obviously don't eat anything that hot. There's no telling what is growing under there. Look at this thing, October the 6th. Wait, oh, look at all those beautiful tomatoes. Oh my goodness. These are the only tomatoes I've got in the whole place. And those are the, well, this is different from that one over there. Oh goodness. All right, I am going to, oh my gosh. Look at that. Hold on. The jungle. Look at that. There's one that's hanging up there. That is 3 feet long as well. Oh my God, I can't believe it's still hanging. How heavy must it be? Okay, this is what I came out here to show you. This is the red calico. And, you know, very early on, a lot of bug damage. Here's one that's dry. We can open that. Check out my bean video, but look at all these beans. The whole thing is it's just loaded. The question is, oh my goodness, October the 6th, and the lima beans are just, wow. Holy smokes. Here are the rattlesnake pole beans. Be interesting to know what that is. I need to come and get all these moldy looking beans and see if the dried beans inside are still good. Look, this is the way the rattlesnake pole bean looks. They're so pretty. And sometimes, right beside it, you'll get a solid green one. But look, all these, and they dry like that. So I need to come, oh gosh, I need to come and get all of this. I just wonder if I have any more of the Daniel Boone. It would have been coming off this vine right here. No, let's see. I don't know. I'll just take that one just to see. All right, we're gonna come. Grrr. I need help with anthills. And look, still blooming. Still wanting to put out, even though I haven't really done much picking on the rattlesnake pole beans, but I'll be back. I will be back, and we're gonna get on this. But what about these monsters? You see that thing growing back there in the forest? It's got flowers on it. I mean, it's one thing to grow a monster, but unless you're trying to win a prize, what do you do with it? If I cured it, I mean, that would feed a whole church congregation. Oh, I let these, oh boy, so much to do. Oh well. Oh, and here's some curly dock. This is actually a beneficial plant. I want to do a video on curly dock. That's a nice one. Okay, that's just, that's a very quick, let's take this and, oops, don't want to lose any. Oh, goodness gracious. I didn't even bring a basket or anything. I just came out here for a quick shot. Okay, we're gonna head in and and this is another one I wanna make a video on. This is with this pretty flower. This is Oriental Lady's Thumb. It's a weed that's very, very prolific. You see it's all in bloom now. And it's actually a beneficial plant. This is all mustard coming back, cover crop from last year. And I'm not sure what this is. I think, did we sow this? I can't remember if we sowed some seeds here. It sure looks like it. All right. This is the overview of my side garden on October the 6th. It's just so hard to believe. Oh my goodness, what is this? What are these? Are these the same, those melons? Oh, goodness, I have to get back out here. I got one little corn that came up after I harvested, well, not one, but 1, 2, 3, 4 that too late to make corn, but I wonder if the watermelon will still go after this weekend. It'll be interesting. Hey, you know what? Thanks so much for following my journey here on the homestead. And everybody who watches, I humbly thank you for your support. Find ways to support this channel underneath each video. I hope you subscribe. I'm not going to show you how I look because I haven't even gotten dressed today. But that's the beauty of a homestead. You can go out in your PJs, just like Patty and Keith were saying. We go out and harvest in our PJs before we even get dressed. And this side garden is, nobody can see me up here. Have a great day, everybody. Get out of there, come on. Whoops, where'd you go? Those are not lemons, those are melons. Okay. Let's check these seeds out. This is the red calico. Okay, come on. They look a lot like the red Indian Worcestershire. Gosh, they actually do look like that. They're not stripy like the red calico. Huh, I wonder if they could have mixed up, come back, because I grew them there last year. This one, the red Indian. Better keep those separate.